Hello guys and welcome back to the YouTube channel, and I have a big one for us today. Guess what? I know you won't see this coming, but I think I can see the future. Just joking with you guys. For today's video, we'll be looking at projections for the last quarter of 2024. Trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. So stick around. So, all right, before I go over the projection for the last quarter of this year, I want to put it out there that as at the time of recording, Bitcoin is crashing at the moment. All right, so take that. Like Bitcoin crashed from 58 to 53,500. But is the market bearish? No. All right. So there are three important things I'm going to talk about that is going to influence the projection. All right. So we have the extremely bullish case scenario and the underperformance but still bullish case scenario. All right. So the first thing is the upcoming US presidential elections. All right. So we all know people are now rooting more for Trump, the Republican, compared to the Democrats. So the Democrats are not really seeing that much light, and should the Republicans win, it's going to be really, really good for the markets. It's going to take it positively and all that. But if the Democrats win, I can't really see what will happen. Yeah, so that's the first thing I'm putting out there. Then the second thing is we need to see what the Fed, the Federal Reserve of the United States of America, is going to do about inflation, so that we would know how to adjust ourselves accordingly. Because until we start seeing rate cuts instead of just flatlining or possibilities of rate hikes and all the FUD they are putting out there, until we start seeing possibilities of a rate cut, we're not going to see the market move as it should. Then the last thing I'm going to put out there is also we need to see the macroeconomic situations. All right, like let's factor in recessions, wars, all of that, the liquidity conditions and all of that. We need to see it adjust properly and look more positive than neutral or negative if we really want to see that kind of parabola. So let me give us the not so bullish case scenario. So the not so bullish case scenario will be, let's say, the Democrats win the US elections. That's one. Then the Fed does not switch over to quantitative easing, that is cutting rates. All right. If they do not do that and they lag when it comes to doing that, they take time to do it, the market is not going to perform as well as it should have. That's something to put out there. Then if the rumors of a massive war or recession actually hits, or a new pandemic or something out of the blue hits, the markets may either tank or underperform. So that is something I really want to put out there for us to know. Then the really bullish case scenario, we have the Republicans win, the Fed starts to ease and cut rates around this September or October, which will be the first month of the last quarter. And then the wars start to tone down a bit and the fears of a recession dial a little lower or very, very low. So these are the two case scenarios. So please, as always, none of this is financial advice. Always make sure you do your own research. But this is the overall projection for the final quarter of 2024. So do well to join our Telegram channel if you want to get these updates around the clock. Please, I cannot stress this enough. And I will be seeing us in the next video. If you found this useful, helpful, educational, you ought to share with your friends. So see you in the next one. Stay rich, stay profitable. Peace out.